98 in the shade. Mr. Rose is rolling hay. 80 acres down and 10 to go. Clouds are building in the south. He knows times are running out. And there goes that tractor's radiator hose. There ain't no tricks in his straw hat. He walks a quarter-mile back. Miss Rose hears him slam that old screen door. What he sees is wasted time, is a blessing in disguise. Oh, he's cussing what she's been praying for. The day turned dark as night, and in her eyes he saw the light. He hadn't taken the time to notice. From heaven it poured down on that little old farmhouse. Lord knows what to do when love needs time for growing. He sends rain for the roses. She pulled down the window blinds, even though the sun wasn't shining. The rain tapped out a love song on that old tin roof. Wrapped up in the covers, they held on to each other like new lovers on their honeymoon. The day turned dark as night, and in her eyes he saw the light. He hadn't taken the time to notice. From heaven it poured down on that little old farmhouse. Lord knows what to do when love needs time for growing. He sends rain the roses. Lord knows what to do when love needs time for growing. He sends rain. The Lord sends rain for the roses.